This is our garage, and today I'm going to be replacing the two fluorescent tube lights that we have on either side of the garage with some LED lights. So it should be a fairly easy process, I hope. I'm also going to be automating the lights with a Zigbee switch so that it'll hook into my home automation system. So I'll show you how we do that as well. So let's see how we get on. Okay, I've just finished putting the first light up. You can just see it there. It's turned off at the moment, just the garage lights are on. They might go off in a minute, they're on a timer. But I'll switch the lights on so you can see the difference. Instantly the LED comes on immediately. It's an incredibly bright white light, daylight light. But you can just really see the difference in terms of colour. Not sure how it's going to be. I think there might be some shadows. We'll check onto this because I think over here could be a little dark. But you know, even putting in multiple of these, it's still going to be cheaper to run than the fluorescent tube. So let's get on to the second one. Okay, we're finished. We've wired everything up. So just to show you what it looks like, I've actually got the garage doors open just so you can see how bright they are. So they're very bright, gives a great light as such. And I've also installed a smart switch as well, a Zigbee smart switch. So if I just sort of spin around, I'll just show you that. That's this switch here. It's a toggle switch, on or off, on. But the nice thing about this is now that I can automate the lights coming on. So when the garage doors open, there are some sensors on there, and they will turn the lights on automatically as such. So good morning's project. Hope you enjoy.